Welcome back to Broncos and Parts Garage. My name's Chris. If you're new to the channel, please wait to the end of the video to see additional links for content we've already created. Today I'm going to do a brief video refinishing the hood latch. I'm going to dispel any myths about the difficulty of removing the cable or the mechanism. We're going to refinish it, reinstall it. Let's get some tools and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the two 10mm bolts that hold the latch to the core support bracket. Keep an eye on where these washers are on both sides. That's going to help you line this latch back up on this bracket. It'll ease lining the hood up when you're ready to reinstall the bracket. Let's get these two screws out. Now you've removed your latch. Next, you're going to want to turn the bracket over and remove some of the retaining clips. There's a plastic piece that covers the cable mount. You'll slide that off with your fingers and just set it aside. Don't lose it. The next thing you'll want to do is remove the cable from this bracket. I found that giving it a firm tap on the back side will dislodge it without doing any damage. Then remove the cable from the mounting boss right here and pull the cable aside. Now you've got a couple options refinishing it. You can use a chemical stripper or sandblasting. I'm going to put this piece in my sandblasting cabinet. Let's get started. Next, we're going to hit it with the Rust-Oleum rust converter. I use this as a primer to prevent rust in the future. After allowing the paint to dry, following the manufacturer's instructions, we're going to go ahead and hit it with some Rust-Oleum semi-gloss. I'm really happy with the way the latch turned out. It's amazing what about an hour can accomplish and a few cans of spray paint. We've removed the corrosion and hopefully prevented further corrosion. Let's get it back installed. We're just going to reverse the steps. We're going to attach the cable to the pin here. We're going to attach the pin cover. This just clips back on. Then we're going to attach the mount right here for the cable pull. It'll click into place. Next thing we're going to do is rotate the latch and drop it into place. I'm gonna hand tighten these 10mm bolts and then I'm gonna use a ratchet. I'm not gonna use my impact because I did put a light layer of paint on them. So let's get these tightened up. You may need to tighten these and loosen them multiple times to make sure your hood latch is aligned. The next thing we're going to do is reattach the cable. I already have one of these cable tie bosses right here. It's just a matter of pressing this into the hole, the Christmas tree cable tie, pressing it back into the hole to lock the cable into place, and then zip tie it in place. Then you're just going to want to snip off the extra cable on the, or excuse me, the extra zip tie. and you've got it installed. There is an area right here where you can add another zip tie. I'm just out of them right now, but I will attach that in the future. I'm really happy with the way the latch turned out. I hope you like the results as well. If you do, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're alerted as soon as I upload new content. Thanks for watching.